Hi guys, welcome to Josh Mike Code. In this wonderful video, we're going to learn how to create a website for free and how to get a free domain and hosting. So let's get started. So the first thing you're going to search for is Pro Free Host. Then click on enter. Alright, now click on the first link. And now you'll be taken here. Now scroll down and then click on register now. Now you have to fill in these details. I'm going to fill in those details now. Alright, now click on this icon. Alright, now we're in our account page. Now scroll down and then you'll see activate account. Please activate your account first. So that means they have sent an email to our email account. So let's go and check it. Alright, so this is the email they sent. I'm just going to click on activate accounts. And then it has been activated. So this is running on the other kind of Chrome browser. So I'm going to go back to our usual Chrome. And then reload the page. Alright, now we have successfully created an account here. So to create a new website, click on create new account. Now scroll down and you'll see launch your new website. Now type in your desired name of your website. So I'm going to click and it's available. So I'm going to click on good. Alright, so as you can see, we now have our website. Alright, now the next step is to install WordPress. So WordPress is a platform which allows you to create a website of your choice without any coding knowledge. So it's going to be very simple. Click on manage. Alright, now scroll down. As you can see, our website is now active. So the next thing you want to do is to click on control panel. And it's going to redirect you to the control panel. Then just click on I approve. Alright, now we are in our cPanel. Now to install WordPress, we are going to look for Softaculous App Installer under the software options. So you're going to locate Softaculous Apps Installer and click on it. Alright, now you'll see WordPress at the top. Just click on install. And now here you're going to fill in all these details quickly. So scroll down and here you're going to type in your site name. So I'm going to leave it as Mr. Tech Hub. And then you can add in a site description. So I'm just going to keep it simple. And then you scroll down. Then here you're going to type in your admin username and password. So you have to make this very encrypted and something that you remember because you're going to use it later on in this video. So I'm just going to type in these. Then here you can select your language. I'm going to leave it as English. Then scroll down and then click install. Alright, now WordPress have been successfully installed on our website. So to check it, let's click on this first link. Wow, as you can see, we now have our website live on the internet. So we can share this link with anyone and they'll be able to access our website. So this is how to get a free website and a free domain and hosting. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.